Tired of people seeing your messy room or boring wall? Let's add a virtual background in Zoom. Whether it's a bench, a blurred background, or your own custom image. Start by opening the Zoom app on your PC. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Background and Filters from the left-hand side. You'll now see a list of default Zoom backgrounds, like a city, a grass field, or blur effect. Want to upload your own? Click the plus icon and choose Add Image or Add Video. Pick an image from your PC, maybe your brand logo or a font photo. Make sure your lighting is decent and you're not wearing green. It helps Zoom detect the background better. Now you're meeting ready, no matter what your room looks like. Like this video if it helped and hit subscribe for more Zoom customizations. Drop your favorite virtual background and idea in the comments.